Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use GPT-4 Vision inside of AutoGen. So GPT-4 Vision is available over OpenAI API since last Monday, this Monday, 4 days ago. And today I'm going to show you how to use it in AutoGen. So we will create a GPT-4 Vision agent, AI agent. And I'm going to try to keep it short. So there are some useful resources, and these come directly from AutoGen, like Multimodal with GPT-4 Vision and Lava. And here's a notebook that I'm referring to. Here's the installation, slightly different. I've used basically this beta version of AutoGen. And yeah, to run this notebook successfully, you need to install by AutoGen 0.2.3 beta. And although it is still pre-release version, that's necessary to use OpenAI 1 Plus. And we need that to get access to GPT-4 Vision and GPT-4 Turbo actually. And we need Pillow because we will work with images, or rather AutoGen will in the background work with images and use Pillow. Yeah, so first thing we need to do is to import AutoGen and some configuration. That's configuration for GPT-4 Vision, and that's for GPT-4 Turbo. Just as a backup, I've got the GPT-4, and that's an example of how OAI config list will look like. I've hidden my OpenAI keys for now. I've shown you so many times how to create it, so this time I skip this step. And then so we've got two different config lists. One is for GPT-4 Vision and one is for just a standard GPT or GPT-4 Turbo. And then we will just try to describe an image. We will create an agent that knows how to describe an image. And to use GPT-4 Turbo, we will use a new agent type, which is called Multimodal Conversible Agent. And that's how we import it and then how we initialize it. And we give it a name for image explainer, and then set the temperature and some max tokens and pass this config list from for Vision. So this was this for Vision. So that's how it uses. So this is the model name for that OpenAI uses for API for GPT-4 Vision. And that's what we passed. And then we've got our user proxy agent that works on our behalf, but I've got other videos on AutoGen where I explained better what they do. So just check out my playlist for AutoGen. And then, okay, and then we will just initiate chat and say what's on the image, and I will pass like this the path to the image. And just so you know how it looks, it's a rabbit cartoon. That's an image I will going to use and ask GPT-4 Vision to describe it. So let me just run this code first, like this configuration. And right now, let's just run our user proxy agent and initiate chat with our image explainer. And as you can see, it started what's on the image, and then there's this image, and we're waiting for the response. And again, that's this adorable rabbit made specially for kids, 3-year-old kids. And the image shows a stylized cartoon-like illustration of cute rabbit. And rabbit is large, expressive green eyes, flurry pure, and a playful smile. Okay, it's working. That's the image, right? So that's something we've got already. And then here's another use case I want to show you. We will use the same chat, but the same set of agents, but this time I will ask which image will be more appealing to a 3-year-old child. Why? And this time I'm using this rabbit cartoon again, but I'm also using this AI robot that I've generated with DALL-E 3. So let me run this one. And again, this time we passed two images, and as you can see, the user proxy has passed everything. And let's see what we'll get. Okay, we've got the answer. The second image, featuring a cute cartoon-style bunny in a colorful manner, is likely to be more appealing and to a 3-year-old child. Young children are often attracted to bright colors, simple shapes. That's all true. I wish it was like more. I mean, it's always very shy with the opinions. So, and that's why it says also the first image, which shows a highly detailed and a realistic robot, might be. So it's again, like for safety, it says might be more appealing, but I mean the answer is definitely correct. Which image would you use for kids? I mean, of course, it's the rabbit, and I asked my 3-year-old daughter which image she prefers, and she of course said the rabbit. And I've got the third use case. So what's the facial expression of the person on the image? What can you tell about the person? And this time I'm just using my own image. And let's see. And again, we're using the same set of agents. So we've got our GPT-4 Vision agent. And let's wait for the response. Okay, I've got the answer. The person in the image is smiling and appears to be in a positive and happy mood. His arms are crossed, which sometimes indicates confidence and comfort. Wearing a light blue button. Okay. So I just wanted to quickly show you some use cases. I think that's a great example to get you started, so you can experiment on your own with AutoGen and GPT-4 Vision agents, which are extremely powerful. And I'm already trying to build something more complex with DALL-E 3, but I faced some errors, but hopefully I'll be able to overcome them. And as always, I will share the code in the description, so you'll find the link to my GitHub. And make sure to subscribe and like this video, because I'm going to explore more about AI agents, AutoGen, GPT-4 Vision, DALL-E 3. I'm really excited at what's happening right now and what's OpenAI has released this week. I just, keep exploring and keep creating, and I want to share everything with you. So make sure to subscribe so you stay updated with my content. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.